Anytime that you're writing up a formal lab, one of the things that you're going to have to do a lot is put in a function, an equation. Okay, we use lots of equations. So let's say that I want to take the equation v1 over t1 equals v2 over t2. Okay, so if I try to do that in Excel, v1 over t, or not in Excel, sorry, this is Google Docs, v1 over t1 equals v2 over t2. This, my friends, is a mess, and it will not be acceptable, okay? So instead of doing that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use the equation editor, okay? So you go up here to Insert, and you're going to insert an equation. And a little text box pops up, and I've got some Greek letters, I've got miscellaneous operations, okay, so this is things like multiply, divide, blah, 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 blah. I've got some non-standard relationships. I have this, which is really important, okay? So this one is where things like the fractions or things that have subscripts or superscripts, okay, and then some arrows. So how would I take this and put it into a function? Well, the first thing that I'm going to realize is that that left side is really just a quotient. So I'm going to put in v1, okay? Now, instead of doing v1 like that, okay, and this is pretty small, so I'm going to make this a little bigger, okay? Instead of making v1 like that, I'm going to go up here, up to my math operations, okay? I'm going to select my v. I'm going to go up to my operations, and I want to make that v1 a subscript. I want to make the 1 a subscript. So now, okay, now when I mouse over after the v, you'll notice that it drops down, and I can put a 1 there. Okay, and now I can go down and I can do the bottom. Okay, you can also, if you're anticipating having something with a subscript, you can just put it in. So this is going to be v2. Okay, now I can put equals, and then I can do the same thing. Now, really, oh, sorry, that needs to be t1. Okay, now I can make another math operation, and this is going to be v2 divided by t2, okay? And that looks much better, okay? When you have an equation like this, I'd like it centered on the page, okay? So let me zoom back out to 100%, okay? You can make the text a little bit bigger just so that it's visible. Okay, and you can center it. Okay, so that's basically how you use equations in Google Docs.